Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing part 12 of the Lego Classic series. So make sure to like, subscribe,
10.
and... No? 10 was the Bionic
12.
Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the comment, and hit that notification bell for more content like this.
Okay, let's.
So my baby brother, our baby brother, is going to be helping us with the digger.
But it's not really in order because the digger is the second one. It's not bag 5, and bag 5 is with
the police station.
The police station. The first one that you have to do in bag 5 is the police station.
So that's why I said part 12.
But Renee wants to do this one, so we're gonna have to.
So that's why I said part 12 because skip one. Are you having trouble taking off my lefty scissors?
Yeah, the lefty scissors. I'm righter. I like to use the lefty Okay, so this is the first part. This is the second part. Why is this connected? Renee, put these. Push them down. Yep, that's it. Okay, now we're
Sorry.
I'm
kind of off screen.
I know because I didn't know now. Renee, push this in. Push it in. No, this one. This one.
Push it down.
Hey.
No.
Her baby brother still looks tired. Push it.
No, the other one.
This one.
Hey.
Renee, are you tired? Push it.
Joe straight looked at the camera and just nodded his head no. Kind of scary. He looked like he's going to jump scare someone.
Push it. There you go.
Okay. Done with page 1 and 2 of the digger. Hey, Aaron, you can actually measure this.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh, don't touch that, Renee.
Renee, you can play with it, please. Yeah. You can play with the spaceship. You can play with You can play with the toy train. Oh, you want to see something?
What's that?
That one's a.
We're getting off track, guys.
I know. Oh, don't run over
The instruction.
Oh, you broke the pony's
The pony's tail.
What is it this thing to push?
I'm not sure you're even doing anything correctly.
I am.
Let me check. Oh. Hon, you're gonna break that piece and then it's not gonna work. Let me just try it, geez, so I can actually see what's wrong. Because you're obviously doing something wrong. That's the only reason why a piece will not connect.
This one goes down, but this thing doesn't.
I'm sure that other pin's not completely pushed down.
Just check it out. Good idea.
Perfect. Yeah, since you want to play with us and not go down, let's put you in the side of the piece already. Hun, how did this go from a Rooney helping us to you just speedboating it and not even asking a Rooney for help?
The Rooney doesn't want to do this.
It's because you gave him all these sets.
He's having more fun with the sets.
Oh no.
You broke it?
No.
Full of a hot water to put to save it.
What happened to the umbrella?
And I sit back down.
Oh, this is actually going to be able to move.
No, it can't move.
But the front can. The front frame can. Yeah. Wait, the arm can. This can. It's a solid move. It didn't. It's a solid move backwards. I'm not tripping.
You were tripping.
Those types of pieces allow stuff to move and rotate.
Diamond. Wow, Diamond. Why you do that, Diamond? Why?
Where is the
Honey, want to?
I was really about to say, how don't you see it?
Choo-choo, here come me day. Choo-choo, here come me day. Choo-choo,
Are
here
you
come
seriously
me
trying to look at the instructions while you're doing this?
Okay, can you stop?
It's kind of annoying. Let's see if,
Already, look
let's
it.
see if any of that
Look it.
can move. Tiny digger.
Hi, baby.
So can the, yeah, I told you it can move. I told you I wasn't tripping.
Can we have it?
Just don't break it.
Okay. Now that this is about to end, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. And show them the moving future.
And I wonder if the bucket can actually
Pick up studs.
Pick up dirt.
Studs.
Pick up dirt.
Please, man, we just got this. These are really clean and new
Okay,
Lego.
well, we're gonna have to end the video. It was a fun time doing this.
Bye.